Ngatjila provides a maintenance service for Liontown here, all the light vehicles and ancillary gear, and we also do the bore fields and the service runs for the fuel on site. Most of the equipment on site for servicing is brought into the workshop here and dropped off in the morning. We have 2 fitters on site at a time, so they're on a 2-1 roster, so we actually have 3 guys, so there's 1 in, 1 out. We have service guys on crew, so we have 2 service people, 1 on at a time, and they do the fuel runs. They maintain all the generators on site, fill all those up, and then we also do the bore runs like every second day. Water's pretty much one of our sort of most precious thing around here. So we have bore fields that head right out towards Mount Klua, so out east there, and we have, I think it's like 7 or 8 bores out there, pretty much, which pumps all our water to Liontown. So we go out there, maintain the fuel levels in them, and then also the servicing and maintenance on them. Liontown's been very supportive, and we've helped them out and they've helped out us. So we work really good together as a team. The way that everyone kind of gets in and works with safety back and forth, we'll go to them, they'll come to us. You don't really find a lot of sites like that. This is pretty much home for me. I did my apprenticeship down the road at Cosmos. I spent a lot of time out Kathleen Valley, Jones Creek, all of that before there was a mine site here. So there's a lot of change around here since I first, from back in the day to now. So to be back here and with my brothers and my family, I'm actually pretty proud, what my brother's done and what we've all done together, coming here and sorting all that out and getting the contract and actually working back home. It's good. Get to see my mum next door at Bellevue. My grandmother passes through every now and then, so I love it.